What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are with vlog number 2. If you are new to the channel, my name is Habbo and I'm taking over behind the scenes at Motorsport And Performance and Rotary Revs. So without further ado, I think we should go and see what the lads are up to in the garage this week, and I think we are checking out what Teddy's doing today. I believe he's working on a Mustang, but let's go introduce Teddy to the camera and see what he's up to. Welcome to the channel. For those who are new, Teddy's not your real name, isn't it?
Teddy's not my real name. My real name's James Ellis, but everybody calls me Teddy. This is what happens when you call me James Ellis.
So what are we doing today? What's happening behind the scenes at MAP?
So past couple of days I've been on this 1517 Mustang. It's quite a nice one. It's got quite a lot of styling on it already that the customer's done himself, but he's just sort of put suspension on it but missed a few bits, so we're doing some of that. We're doing an IRS Base Kit. We're doing the American Racing long tube headers with cats, which are already on, with Steeder engine mounts, which are rated to 650 horsepower. Yeah, so we're just cracking on with that. Going to get exhaust back on, then we're going to pop an 18 manifold on it and make some good power. Hopefully see about 420 wheel. We're just putting the exhaust back on, the cat back, connecting it to the new ARH headers. Once that's done, tighten it all up, and then we're on to the top. We're going to be fitting the 18 manifold and the Steeder cold air intake, closed air intake actually. Yeah, happy days. So just before I go up top to pop the 18 manifold on, I've just got to slot in some IRS Base bushing support systems and an alignment kit to work with the already installed headers, XA coilovers. Really good suspension, but if you've missed the IRS Base Kit, you've missed a big component out. It's the first mod we say to ever do to any Mustang.
It's a must.
It's a must.
Okay.
And everyone knows it is really. So yeah.
Let's do it. How did it all start for you with cars?
With cars?
Yeah, and how have you ended up working at Motorsport And Performance?
So about 5 years ago, I started off with an apprenticeship at a Seat dealership. I was trained by Volkswagen Group, did a full 3-year apprenticeship, passed everything. I worked at Seat with Josh, everybody knows Josh, and then he came here and I soon followed after, just through hearing how good it was here, and to be honest, never ever looked back.
Yeah.
Best place to work, great team and great customer base as well, which is rare. So yeah, so this is the IRS Base Kit, just laying it all out so it's clear to see where it goes. The IRS bushing alignment system, did a post on that which explains what that does really well. So yeah, and then your bushing support system. So we've got the IRS Base Kit on now. The alignment bush, as you can see from the difference, the size of the hole when it's not in. And then you put the IRS alignment bush in, takes it down to the size of the bolt itself, so it literally stops all movement between the bolt and the subframe. It literally can't move then. And then as well with the silver support bushings on as well, reduces movement from the rubber bush from the subframe to the chassis. So it just keeps these wheels locked onto your body, letting suspension do all its work. So
sweet.
Yeah.
So what we're into next now?
Next now it is the 18 manifold. We're going to send the car down, just finish off a few bits from the headers because the car's not been on the floor since yesterday morning. And yeah, pop the 18 manifold on and get it running.
Right guys, I'm going to end the vlog here and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Behind the scenes of what happens at Motorsport And Performance. We've got a lot more coming out as well, so if you want to be involved and stay up to date with the videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click that bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next video.